Tragedy in Montego Bay. TikTok star. 41 BussHead fatally shot, just hours before his birthday. Jamaica's social media community is mourning yet another devastating loss, as popular TikTok personality Marlon Samuels, widely known as 41 BussHead, was tragically shot and killed on December 20th, 2024, just hours before his birthday. The fatal attack occurred around 10 p.m. on North Lane in Montego Bay, shortly after he ended an Instagram live session. Known for his energetic presence and charismatic personality, 41 BussHead was set to perform at the renowned Sting concert on December 26th, making his untimely death even more heartbreaking. This tragedy marks the second killing of a prominent Jamaican TikToker within weeks. On December 7th, 2024, Xavier Naya Gang Foga was also fatally shot during a TikTok live session in St. Catherine. These back-to-back incidents have sparked widespread fear among content creators in Jamaica. With many openly expressing concerns about attending public events and maintaining their online presence. In response to the rising violence linked to social media influencers, there have been increasing calls to ban TikTok in Jamaica. Authorities, including the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, have raised alarms about the platform being exploited for illegal activities such as money laundering, further fueling the debate. The tragic deaths of 41 BussHead and Naya Gang highlight a deeper cultural issue where online conflicts often spill over into real-world violence. While TikTok remains a platform for creativity, connection, and financial opportunity, these incidents underscore the urgent need for improved safety measures. Conflict resolution strategies, and responsible content creation. As Jamaica reflects on these heartbreaking events, it's clear that addressing the root causes of such violence is essential to prevent further loss of life. We have come to the end. And as always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more incredible content, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your feedback in the comments below. See you in the next video.